no aye Germany diamond shaft ball and some area Denmark game no aye signal iduna and a Germany so and Denmark for game no and no and some about me about so referee na your father some Michael Oliver no and some other kwakwa to edie your bomb person be Oliver be kwakwa the match where we na adebet na ya metana sesa ya baba ka e Oliver assembly mesensa abia Michael Oliver and some about the game amateur video assistant referee and some abaya juma so mu nyina no and some for England ya na tied in some and some at the bar our brand controversially in the modern bar woman so our Premier League no and a kwakodi a game about our bra Dutchna Germany and Denmark for no woman some about ya Germany as a shark mami brother one is Antonio Rudiger one him say me no kasa Rudiger obiana no make a choice some amba monitano nempo omuna game I was about so nyina no one some to me anya dia na ne bia ni koshlo tabekenom am some about me abam ababo na report amenya no say player your father say Rudiger and no play one training session and some koso na training na Germany for na aye ni nyina no Germany no so wura no and some Arizona training na and aye good news adama diamond shaft of Germany na chesenyame yarmo china ebetimi abasa bia coach ne pa wonom ababo anasa bia coach ne pa wamama Rudiger some atena betire mom yes boy no on doctors no wom go so aye adwuma esan say anyo no kwa na betimi decide say koba so omu wie ene training no na yes setback bi ama na bia Rudiger an complain say wonom ate yaw adia na chase wo china wo be available a chese ne ya match anom aye Germany and wo man ya ye fan Denmark am no kasa ne nyina no eno some kakra from aso ye and some about Germany training na no report to me nyana say from Wednesday and some na be say enra yes wo training no omaye nyina chese one shaka Harvard abako bench ama Nicholas Fulkrug and some start ayesa match no na Nicholas Fulkrug kayo be a discuss no ama wo ka said the last time meza and some pajabas identity and be a Harvard start game na and cross the siko wo munya goals na Fulkrug ka free bench aba na wo ba be show goals and ntino and kabaya be a coach ne hwe na be a Fulkrug ama start ama kai and some uncle bench Jaminya no say bibia chese be owura no and some na betimi start to game no and some area Denmark kasa na me no kasa no bibia chase be ma bibia ba be dru die enya fe na group stages a wo ba be try na be try to ni adibia wo sa wunya eye players as boys no and some abako ama chase o team about advance and some area call the next stage tonight no one shot full crook our chance say one some number start ochina game na and no so I update about Portugal one squad dey me nyane say almost game abeba so nyane say Portugal for no Womo and Slovenia and Ababo na and a knockout stage game. Womo to me qualified ya. Womo abako quarter final. Now Portugal team no report to me say players makuma enum. Womo so a yellow card away from suspension in Tiakoba Serbia Portugal and some abo omu game area na German second say Serbia mu bako and some akonya yellow card na just omu quarter final game no anya dey say sani pakrono and some abetimi about Portugal elponya me ya and no I next week Monday. Now I'm yellow card away from suspension. Or Francis Ronaldo. One of the yellow card against Slovenia. One more quarter final. Beer. One more some other qualify and watch a defensive midfielder. Your fan sir Joao Paulina. Onusu your beer. One of some yellow card. One to me and one game the BM and watch your Cadena. Your fan sir Francisco Conceição. One of some the yellow natures. Woman's game. One of some other message, Yawa Pedro Neto, and watch a Ruben Neves, and so Kawemo, and your boys, Amakumako, enum, answer Kobasabi Mubako Crano, and some other yellow card, just automatically. One more game, and some our quarter friend animal, and yet they say, Yomo qualify, Sandy Pano, and some other ball. Now, you so my father, sir, I had Georgia Fono, woman is Spain. And a ball now match what you on paper. We because I am mismatch. Essence be on match. Your main I have found Georgia and some number to me Spain almost won him. Wabra feature Varaskilianum and HS a boy Saka Aya Germany no media to him that I say I Sunday and Spain on Georgia and some game Ababaso. Now Medican about to down a person Rubio no and some oligarch I just one day woman can some successful businessmen. just almost how to be a banner political interference. Woman, some woman sounds some crano, woman to me, matches or many cabini at Demachase, woman some to me influence ya Baimo, Emmanuel Kama was say, Mamo, I get $10 million, our bra, Moshe, just or contra, you found a Portugal, and you qualify, and what is almost said to me, Quanimo, and some to me, and some Spain, I qualify, and some other quarter final said, yeah, not just what double Musikano, and some other I get $20 million, Unyan baby, all right, and I'm back and some also a pana, one of my donated Sassicano, and some other Georgia motivational, and some banning in Chino, what was Spain, Aquadana, your friend is Nico Williams, or say, you want to just a hand. Woman as a team, country be anywhere out to me Spain. Just say, be on your magenta, woman be individualistic, kakra. No, Mamma Bassy be almost design individual and some and some tongue, never your more come as a teamer. Country be anywhere else our tournament way. One of about me, I'll stop a yellow roya. I just send in an update about Deba couldn't say. I did be a way of Yana Sabasabia, Nipabi, and some take pride. A woman say, will do a time for no reason. A Dubabiana. Passion and a papa over the Masadeno, Yana etimi Keleno, na Yenimsa Avro Morata, Ayobiono, Wasafapa, na Avro Moratanum, Wabubo, Potims Robianim, Boma Dredano, Koba Juve, no Baba Boma Dano, Balatuko, but Baba Cholsonum, Sonia, Denamino Kasai, your Tim Saka, so many random Sakadana, your father some Morata, Wamusum Abanyan at Denaba, what does some Morata say? Namen Kwan controlling Tao. Was here Kakete Kwano, when I just said, "Be a bono, Kwan, or be a messenger." At the end of Kosi, what shall go all right, and what shall contribute? Why, yes, sister, I did be also here. Nasunupa Tassenin, Abed Dobat Nase, Natchez and Nippon Sari Massa, want to me both Dinka, some ya, Otobabia, no, assume your chance. By this time, you say, come as some, I just ask my canino, and some, I have some bonnet, and tomorrow, Tassa Kaka Krabi, and football, who can go to Jai and Sopo. I just will Jai Bar, not just as some, as I don't know some call. I just know I update, and I'm free as well about failure. Report to me, sir, can say, Toma, England, Arab Slovakia. Now, England and Slovakia for Kemino, Yerim I know some Abaso. Now, so much about afraid them, sir, or reference Southgate, or yet your foot. I'm going to Sunday. One more Yanum, I early kickoff, and I have 4, and England and Slovakia, as our bomb game, our Veltins Arena. Now, much about some Manchester, Quadana, your father so could be Maino, and some about me and your start at Jama England, Omutimo. Yes, I'm so said, as you call Baby Adridia, who can mistake, never your opponent, will be walk gone, Emma say Kima. England is so to me shall go, Papa B.A. A Bassana just about them panty, Jamaican Sakoba, Sabia Namia, Nabia Sante, water, Sabia Kodana for the so could be Maino, and some I started here. Nani a just a many can at your foot. Namum, a friend, a course watching, and a corner teaching was a Comasabia coach, and some as the son of Jendia, and on one Cassani Yaka England, I say when it's at them, Didia Yamasa, Womu Jimmy Personsa, Womu Crum for say many jay, one tier foot or boys, and also Nadia, I just and fell for Genum, Womu here, and what you should balance, Womu Chawata, just a boy Sakai, Womu some Duku, I just a hard Jampana, Mamia Barachi Eze, a Barachi Eze, a Casaonsa, one of just a first timer, woman who come measure a tournament, a Barachi Eze, a cow. Now, Eze, and ye Eze say, you want to just Udu Kampa, one or nano for ye, Bianano Yanoba. Now, was sitting in a Chomadinoma Gugu, Quamo, at the Ama Boys and a Serabea, Satam Didium, and said among 4, and some support our Montano, and to millions and so bunny, and some our boys and so sansa. The moment I can say, what do attention our question about me how negatively our promotion bar was some of us so bunny, Wunyana Santa, Barachi Eze, was so back camp, Panamum, and Paraphone in such a set of Beatino, and to millions and so bunny, and some our players, and so Yentia Eze.
I would say so. I think me just coming into this environment, I can see that they've done everything they could to make it as comfortable and as enjoyable as possible. I think it's very, very easy to come into these environments and it be so intense and it's almost difficult to settle, whereas they've done, honestly, everything they can to make us feel comfortable and for us to first and foremost enjoy this experience, because they don't come around often. And to the point about the noise outside, I think it's true. It is a lot at times, but I feel like of course it's understandable, you know, that everyone's going to have their own opinions. But as I said, I think the most important thing for us is to focus on what's inside at the moment, not worrying too much, and understanding that it's not everyone that's being negative. I feel like the majority are supporting us, and yeah, we'll keep going and we'll keep doing our thing for sure.
Yes, I know. I am some Quatana, Franisa, Barachi, Eze, or no, and I'll tell your dinner accepts Emma, your job for an anno pay, and some I was shown so much as a new cancer, woman of my attention, Alcoso, and our dinner crown, Omwa, woman who dear telling you, I want to sell Lata Patono, one can you be animal, anybody Krabi, now majority at the so supporter, woman, I am Franisa, England, I just said, you know, and some I asked my brain area to Damino Casay, who called Netherlands, some pre-match, and as boys. Mienu abaya press conference bako aye Nathan Ake ana mienu aye Virgil van Dijk masa yasin so boa osia bo me kwetina ba me o ene so no pete kaka van Dijk no wo mo dinatam na nsem pasansa nanu yo mo lusu yam jama Austria masa from the chrome 4 at the bar just mo mo club side up obi o mo dinatam papa na van Dijk no premier de nipa de wo kan Cristiano me pawasam pa van Dijk say ayampa ono anka so jitum say be a personally modern pano our form our so shamukina na on one case general responsibility and somebody atom okwa Liverpool wo ba aye Dutch side just no aye Netherlands so na share timani nyina no ya dia sudi eswa masa ya na nyansunsan so e so pa ya na affect no wo so ba bia ba fa bia no ya na manfo gina tane de ne senya me ya doma wo game e ba so next week Tuesday wo so ba proofy ama chese wi ase ane asasi so wo bia on Sompa ono aye Van Dijk one some born bo na Van Dijk say you want to just say the say Australia no wo de ato o machi na ana de ba konso so o ma de o nkomo na meeting ba so ba sa Netherlands o players ana fei aye entire technical team akoye no wono ono ma meche one kan chance for na mom nyame ya de ma Tuesday mo bon Sompa boys no aye meeting e wa promotion no eno some abasesa na mom Van Dijk say na me no kasa ba bi o focus wono eno Romania woman some amateur so sansa drew Tuesday ayadia said Netherlands mino woman any Romania and abona on Romania game anopaya and Van Dijk exclusively what didn't some to yentie Virgil van Dijk
in Dutch that we can't think further than Romania. I think that's the main focus at the moment, especially with the way we've played the last game. But I believe in this team. I believe in this squad and staff, and that we can produce something special. But we have to stay humble and focus on Romania and beat them. And that will be a very difficult task as well.
Yes, not just say what I can cross all brown once. Yes, and say, went to me, Casabia, walk or share and assemble, walk or draw archers and in an eye update by Yaka, I Romania, for the Netherlands, say game not fay. Yet day I transfer market and send some bano. Mamma Bruntavan said, Jean-Jes, I Puskas. Now, Jean-Jes Puskas, Apo, Edema Romania, Omatakas and Bakunia, Romania, funding body Bruta stand true, Massa. Kadawe, woman that they went above. Hey, I'm going for the hard train. Now, George say, I'm on for the car right to my tournament. I'm bay no one to me now and at the end of the five Cosimasa. Omo body 10 Netherlands. I be an almost row. And as almost rono, would you yentie George's Puskas?
I don't know if it will be a big relief for them, because I think we are a tough team. I think we showed our good face. We showed our strength. We played good. We are a compact team. We are a strong team in the field and outside. And I think they should care more about us if you said that they had a relief, because we care about everyone here. We respect everyone, but we will fight against everyone.
Yes, me not saying T and no I am some I say Romania. Woman so for a die fan say Georges I Puskas no and I'll tell say ya den some Emma ya tell Fafe Yamra I clubs now so ya Barca Madrid sense okay. Would you share the camera me I boss and no pay would drew a your offices on my hoist a year just a flag flag you know would you when you meet me that's P way and so I Rambo a colors no man yes I would drew I say we are sending the mountains almost say and then I die at the LGBTQ plus. I just want more Pride Day. As I na a job I could say bounce out a team. One say I'm the W because we support idea. Your fan say diversity as a Bible say Mongo now must say not to some point 1 year. I say any baby best one is a Buran 1 year. Me no kasay. Bema I just say when I cross multiplication. Now I'm my general power lines. I'm no kasay no. Bema say wo pene yonko bema wo banso say ono so pene yonko ben yo nyamia kakra dendende wo show yonko wo masa wo mo say no wo pe basa for say wo mo do mo support amantime no kasa we ayo bossa wo man kasa office anymore I just a flags ni me say nyina na no pay no wo mo som ahoist wo mo do support aye diversity today wo mo say dia wo pe no anya no obi pe wo dia bia wo dia no pe dia mu agono aye mra bra fa wo bi so no so pe dia sibu so kai na chese pai say ta eno so ron so fa to mo support obi a man was no kra kan me da munis kai say eno dia jam na me come for comment abi kin kan bi and some na was na chese ye de ma ye je fa na no pai and some na wo show no so na ma me front to him say manager fan sa Hans Flick and some adiano wonim so ba sign a contract me kan be Canada adana no omo pay yes manager ye kasa say ya enya fe na don se betiti ho ana nan kamu ye dabi masa ane dabi o ma request dia beto abane no ana wo se bia wo som odi ya adwuma nyina no manager na aso no mom ene boss aho kire ya ana no pra na me kasa se obi catch o se bia enhia wa kam se ni pakora wo so sinu kotopa na nyina no se boss ani sika de bia won sempa ena me no kasai me beka amadu onana so mo jiri aba se bodjo makoda no wo betimi abo 6 obo no board ma Everton ene wachi me sa beka sa wo munya branch am se Mika Marino omo so omo pe na mom yesem ayade se amadu onana ana nko omo papa na omo jiri aba se boy ne de aba boa ne mom wo munya sika no se fans ne abanko de a ene omo so no betimi akwa for Belgium, Wama Kurana Opo Adama Everton, your fans Amadu Onana Atanaba, a Jamie who said Ampa Ebabe Drew, na Anadia say Basa Fonya Yenica, Wamasem Akotana fans Ansu Fati, Afredi Onka Omo plans, and Hubium, Yakachos Bueno, Modern number 10, Ashon, Ansu Fati American debut. Now our 16-year-old Basa, Yanya Messi, Sana Kodani Kotoje, Ayam, no acquire surgery, no anya setback, then Swabatin Abajinum. No acquire surgery at Namano Cas answer what to know, Bassa for some Amun Penbium. Now, the Memo Jetty answer Enra. On set me catch us a bass and perform a kind of Bamanteno, say Yamiarma Enra Yawa, don't be a meeting. I've a shark mamma time and put a phone upon meeting now. Now, Monsum period fee, or more officers, Abba Ebinia. Now, Jomo can you understand? Meeting us no yes woman catch Ansu Fati say on count omo plans ahubium enya dey say coach I fan sa Hans Flick ebetimi ane no aye adwuma enti going forward no our some opetim akosane tedia na ne chese JC number 10 no eba be vacant and a person me catch on say Lami Yaman say Ansu Fati ewo ho na mum sa Fati akonkwan dia na so me the number 10 amana why not wo be je no wa number 10 and some adama basa Ansu Fati, woman communicated ya chakran and was one come plans ahubiem, woman Jana Kwamanakwa, and no idea from Alba Arsenal. Yes, Mikel Arteta, one of them change Alpa Jules Kunde, Arsenal for was Kapa, and a Nameset Basa Hono, M. Senipabes and me and San name Bebe Numpabio, I a Pedri Gaffy, Mabomo Diacho, Kokeba Makandra Testegan, Lami Yamana Poku Basi, Mabo Enum. woman na bia sika ba woman nja omo maka bia betimi akọ Ronaldo Araujo Frank Massa wo bia ba mbaton amo bia nsom akọ yes Jules Kounde Arsenal for nya woman som apenemom woman problem sika na Barcelona enso Elbosansa Barca for no de woman abeso mu twate na te se de bia market dabare wonyimi ni lo wonye mami aboke adama dasuma anya enso yi bo te se santi 80 ne de bra moteso de anka bia Arsenal for no enso abetimi anama market monteso de a anya de se Arsenal enso abetimi afa Araujo enso adenako na report ami nya no se sikasem ya Barca no Luis Diaz ana Nico Williams makama beduru ba be nka biem na omo say who compare players in me and dia and yanka Nico Williams operation sika samno ebewa from kakra Luis Diaz and one bad day entering now so da ban and I'm returning to 1:1 rule sarabia sikabia mo benya biano mo so mo betimi spend area top players no and some adiaba na ya na man for starters wo mo link Italy and Bologna akoda na fa so Riccardo Calafiori say yes Real Madrid and so help na no ball ba ku ya akoda boy he wama linked to clubs so we are singing na Real Madrid for masa mamon phobia mama for obi afan konkoye mo market amo pano no wo bi anim aye Lenny Joro anya Joro amo nka so mo per central aye defender bi adenaba yerim sa branch one say natural elko enti aye Lenny Joro anya Riccardo Calafiori ano mo pento mo say anya no kwada say wo mo so pa kodan adenako na ese Real Madrid for no Hoselu aye adama shi wo makoma pa na Real Madrid for no omo ye tough wo mo life and say we are my dear na say ehwe mo kan omo beso mo beka ni nyina no say wo na nka cheso bia krampa o ye boba na nka betena stance nim ebehwe bi ana Real Madrid ya chese din omo fado bai obeboye akoye jamawa yes ye 1.5 e de ato na nka Real Madrid 4 years an omo turn permanent na nka omo hu e de ama Saudi foi wo fa ho nwa chese wa na wo kwado akwaji skana gubotom sanete e ye nipa na mani pada seni omo ni te etina chese Real Madrid team no wo man hire nya bibi bia mfa mfiri mo yes no kwa chikwa na nka owura ye fa no Ancelotti ensom ani ni coaching staff na say sanka Hoselu stay ya na nka omo count on sa player no na nka match so am born said the best according nyina no anya kwada nka minute ni bi wonu ma wo benya bia bosan so free bench ababia na wono ensom abaya dwumaden amatim no entina me no kasa sempanfo no wo mo abo anhira anyoso no mom wo mo person beka amo bia so ate afa Premier League campanfo no wo mo adelete anasa memo akwa koma 20 clubs ni nyina na message no aye very simple am say wo mo do wo goro ice amanita clubs wo mo our Premier League ni mo na wo de also ye bema now your bema pana diana chow nam ya nuntam ubolo na ya make say and your boss me so your born na ya diana bonibia bolo yes almost your bema with your koto player na ya also me de bia fa chire na bia me under declare sika me de tona me yeta sase me u disuma sika e bia black market bi na e de on be so na omo so wa ana beti so local ye na omo monitor bia Intakutia bi anim niura amudo omo say woman select team bi enja bi aye 20 clubs omo nyina no ana chesa one in Elko and some adama yes Aston Villa for say Emiliano Martinez goalkeeper and some Argentina say Chelsea for some ma Enzo and Olympic Games Aston Villa so say Edibu Martinez entimi nko Olympic Games amaninya ye na Liverpool team no makacho so mo pe goalkeeper dada na goalkeeper no mo Alisson Becker dada na mom yes o mo senya Brazil ni bi Atletico Paranense ono ye friend Bento na Bento no bia me no ka Liverpool team no enso aba so mo goalkeeper ye friend se Bento enso aba enti de yan so be come Manchester no enso aye adwuma simple afei report am say kan se player ye friend se Emil Smith Rowe oko Arsenal boy we so ka bi na ka Chelsea fan am say be last year summer ho na kwetano ana kukwasa wa ama boy so man hira mo anya bia mo papa bia ena me no kase say afraid your boy no obekọ medical na betu just Arsenal wo mo so mo rate akwara na fan sa Smith Rowe around 30 million pounds enom aye one ana fa chese akwara na aka mo so mo kori nyina no wo mo do mo boa toto mo so na mom German say kan sa afei ana Emil Smith Rowe akwa Arsenal emper for na man yes wo mo jame kwa man nkosan Aston Villa and watch full am no ana Crystal Crystal Palace one dia no womo so abampa aches akodai enso ape ba bia fa na McGill American asam sa Chelsea to ayebonsa womo akoda na McGill ayobia yeso womo se 1 ball no danena no otimi bo 2 Onumunchie ana ban hakala mangosa chesa jinan kase edisha goro bra akodai wo bi pa enti Chelsea for hu say we dia ayade fofo anu omanya make Chelsea oba medical no wawie oba sign adjama Chelsea team no na almost say £50,000 a week and a McGill ebabeje woman fan fo enti na otu bia no £50,000 anu yes ka akodai we and some abeje edia gunu botoma anom update eba onsam no ye de from Manchester United yakotana ye found some Manuel Ugarte metesam panfo bi bu officer aso mayama sa do apia bontensan sendei yesena nka bi omo ye do on a low na Manuel Ugarte me catch on anu say Manu for no one person kebi omo Marcus Rashford eka na asob now Jamemen said can say me catch on person coach na ye fan Luis Enrique so say akoda no on pen biem entina udu France after some de betu dwa our tip off no Jamemen said can say aye 90+% say Manuel Ugarte also abeko dia na chese Manu for yiro omo ho a wo so betimi afa boy no ama boy no so atimi aba ni nyina na aye update efi omo so de ba wonsam no yet the MH for Napoli and some Enra make a Quaraskilia and some Echo. Yes, Enra are meeting a basso, coach, agent and president, now agent and friends some manna, Abacasa, Paris Saint-Germain, Eddie deal about Sereno Michecho Muna. Yes, I'm catching the Prince Abema. Catch on say yanton na emfa ani sika omode baba enya bibia na sika timito yes president na ni coach na say won tie na nse eya PH for ento omo say akoda no womo nton ne enton chino tom achasa na aye meeting na say course enra enom aye messenger womo so ademai achasa ho nsam ni nyina no ye de ama ye chef anano pai ensom awo show no so ani nyina no nsam no ye de banchabu ye brano ye mfansi na afi ye monitor na bibia so fine. I own bolo bolo.
Believe at the crow.
Own bolo bolo. So bolo bolo.
Mobi.
I don't know the other way.
I feel about what the crow. I feel about who's
because of bolo bolo. I say
I didn't know.
I know bobo boy. Eh. Namu tise wo abusi amutumi yi to amanfo no so okay over there.
Fancy. We could eat there to be a room.
Somewhere, my friend say, Messiah, my friend say. My friend say.
Zebi biabo kode. Obiza ko eshi mi yaro. Na ezo no what that technique no nimpa.
So ko kan ko.
Dabi.
Muna mo tia no mo bia nya akwara.
Obi anya akwara and meba abuja bi team. At every stage in your life. No matter baby abedru bia na. Any baby a wonyina dru. Untimi kan chem say you've never had sex education.
Yeah.
Oh, some know you but
so definitely the things he's asking in your mouth.
And no mi sana mi si ya no na we
oduru fi amon ku twa wo ti.
Na bi mo ku bia ntem. Ye wo ne say ti. The woman say, me shada njini pandi.
Okay, say mami mo ku ba okay.
Abada mo. Me madam fancy me shada njini pandi.
Aha, tira mi bisa say.
Da sa gro ni dem ndi. Eh na bi amra.
To obi anum na.
Eh bi amra ye nya say ya kan ye.
Omo say sabi nipa dam so the bat one.
Yeah.
We tu man na kana
na ga. Na we fine. What's my brother yina.
As one fire you let na obekọ ya kama yesimi. Tu ko du fi akoka say na a kire oye. Ozo that and obi na chicha.
I don't do chichim. Na ye ni adia. But e din me ni za gidi ni dize mi ya tum ni de e ha dwen kakra. Eh. Na wa dwen se sawara.
Kan say ya na experience e come up.
Onu ya na ni ma diza. I think na lan ka be so chichim kakra.
But I ka be 2 years na ko 8 years. My idea.
Sa.
My idea pa.
Ah. Oh wow.
I mean,
you know what carry any.
Was you na I'm so done Messiah dear. Oh dabi.
Carry them more follow she inside or.
Shadrach.
Them let them back up.
Or die you tomorrow.
I back up my crew.
Abrantia o ya do asisu ya ma dia Shadrach Meshach Abednego.
Amani hunu
die.
Another day.
I'm say yintum.
Adam say katia. Ha dwon be ye kuro de anya kura.
E kuro de anya e ho nya akono. Ba ye katia na ye ma hyew.
But I confirm experience for I don't know. More experience on pa. Ze bi all Messiah ze obetimi adi san komo na. I can say bi amoko dey feel so boko.
Nyame do any experience bi bia boko baza.
Na no dey fine. Me o me dem ho ye so me don't.
Oh yeah.
Me ho ye. Oh yeah pa.
Auntie, you we so why I was say ba record dey che bia. Ai.
But then after me come kakra.
Yes, Abu Dhabi. You run into a little bit of transfers kakra ni nim komo bi. Na ye be share the free France. We have fancy di my story about Manuel Ugarte to Manchester United for any ebron some person sign Ugarte de neba. In this particular deal, Manchester United they heard some sign Ugarte. You question say what are the options and Manchester United wa afraid of when you abro mo kope Ugarte. Na options ni yemienu de di kan Jean Neves. Jean Neves the Benfica for 120 million euros Abu Dhabi. Omo no wan fa say ska na ma omo nte so ne ente so china omo te so ama ono kura na omo so ma consider ono kura na number 100 million euros cash down e ho ye nkoye me the 5 years na betu asem omo so omo jo omo sika na no ma jo ma de na omo call omo baby ana okoye Manchester United say under Sir Jim Ratcliffe mo na they have to be very careful in their decision making because assistants omo negotiate deals no e matagris any Jason Walkers mo because Omar Berada nyan start adwuma Omar Berada be start be 13th July ho baby ana sporting director akọ Newcastle say opening the Nashwater still na court case kwa munya nye dey munya ndiwie. The biggest problem of Manchester United has been people who are not endowed sporting decisions mu etiki side decisions in the ama club no it is a office waba now there is sign eba. You need to get people on what drain your ball, what drain to think smart, to think fast, to make sure that these deals will go over the line. It was Jason Walker. So Manchester United are handicapped when it comes to the transfers this particular season because Omo negotiating the old transfers, no. Omo negotiating new ones, no. Omo come out Anthony signing 100 million. But not player didn't deserve it. I was all the other.
These are much Anthony non deserve.
Oh, Anthony non deserve 100 million. No. I've never said, sir, you see, two different things. Put it at the back of your mind, Abu.
Yeah.
It is a different thing discussing the quality of Anthony.
Yeah.
And it's a different thing called the value need here. Anthony Omubuye, Yani, it's time Omubuye. Because Ashasiano, Omuka Senki, Emfa 70-75, Crambefa Lisandro Martinez, and Anthony. And Omotuchi, that is the time almost spending most of their time with Barcelona.
Yeah.
Frankie de Jong.
Yeah.
Tare my issues by and son actually because I ask for so ton players also mo yede. Omo ton no mo your mode. Just to please the supporters for failing to sign some players. Oh, when they offer Anthony 100 million.
They only have them as kana.
You don't know football.
Oh
yes.
I mean yes, you have a bomb fight.
The thing is, one thing I'm really assured about. I'm in doubt about it, Anthony quality.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, he's a very talented player.
Anthony,
very
quality
talented. Abu Anthony Assat be 20 the Olympic Games in 2020 me boy.
Yeah.
Few those times in the band, even FIFA ranking top 50 to 100 brightest talents to watch them within that particular frame of time. No, Anthony was bad, and Anthony Atayas was not as bad as say the move Anthony was say no.
It is your hand on their number.
You know Manchester United. Could you question the reason why Di Maria about Manchester Anfa? Memphis the people question why I about Anfa. Say United see the pass.
So me bao. Mo team no your name bi ume a ene mu nye ni ya e ma obi ba no talent na ekuna na.
Otie Sir Jim Ratcliffe for bar first for na so omoto team for BBC ni interview. Ano mu bisa na say players ni coaches ni nkofo ahodo ba team ni mu ase to the bia na performances ni nye dey enkoma bi mu. And he stated emphatically clear, say, omo research and say, I repeating the same thing. Abra on a US based website business for no. Say the club did not have the right environment to maximize the output and competitive nature we hear from various employees, including coaches and even players. There were some players be on exceptional abu. Ebi obi on ma baby a den said the only the crowd of a day. It is a wedding. Oh, so assassinate day say 1 billion krala wo Abu Dhabi wo do tiwra hall we just kasa ha de
at times if baby a ofi ba no
sanity
and only there.
Sanity.
Obashi buabum.
Oh yes.
You do attempt now with TV now. Oh yes. TV now.
Oh yes. Sanity. It that things no ewo. It Manuel Ugarte. Manchester United ni abeso mo peno na. Omo anya na mo hwe Amadou Onana. Now PSG no epeso mo de attention ne ko Amadou Onana. Then so muja Ugarte kwanya na mo ko fa Amadou Onana. But I ask myself, between Ugarte and Amadou Onana, who are you going to pick? Per quality, per omunyo madanedi. O compare omumienu a hefa no ma hoden wo. When never benefited the other club, and when never benefited the other club. Now, on top of your discussion, we will have a discussion about almost statistics, Abu Dhabi. On your screen, see Manuel Ugarte and Amadou Onana. Let's put it at the back of our mind. Say, Amadou Onana played a lot of games than Manuel Ugarte this season, even in the league. So, over the league, no more 25 matches, but you're there per 90 minutes. Now, in terms of shot accuracy, you look at Amadou Onana, so Amadou Onana will also give you goals in attachment to the Juma Dina Odino. Then you look at open play passes. Then you look at Ugarte. Say, bro, Amadou Onana Subebre in terms of open play passes. But what the two teams never start to send any.
Yes.
What am I say? The goals, shot on target, shot accuracy in the chest, say Amadou Onana a proper box to box midfielder. What am I say? Without goals in the chest, say Manuel Ugarte a typical number 6. Ojina. Defenders in the show them.
Yeah.
And open play passes in two different teams. Unkonya Everton in dominating possession.
Yes.
It will function than Kasem. It passes attempted passes accuracy in Nan. Mempesi idea no by him. Because two different setups of Mumi in the day. Ebo. But maybe a key mameno to distinguish them no. Or more tackles made, ground duels won, touches, ball recoveries and possession lost. Because oye den a midfielder bia no ade de be rank your tackles.
Yes.
Oye den a midfielder bia ade de be rank your area duels made and ameboa. Area duels ne say e kosoro etire nko wiem say panyan. Abu atma say. Odi ano no to nchen grand duels na e ko no form na say e bia area duels na e was no grand duels ne wo fon kwa afa so we no. Then your touches, then your ball recoveries because you lose ball na kwa be fa so abe press. What is the make channel? Then do about possession loss. Possession loss ni a key. Because midfielder na or tell lusu boss there is going to be a lot of turnovers. So in this aspect, tackles made, Manuel Ugarte made a lot, and per the 90 minutes, making an average of 4.6 as compared to Amadou Onana 3.1. And my ref is Ugarte ball in a possessive base club, a dominant base club. Amadou Onana ball in Everton almost ties it back. So Osabenya more tackles than Amadou Onana. It means one thing. So Ugarte is a tackler.
Yes.
And why tenacious. Then Oma be tackle success rate in 58. Onana ne tackles bebre ba okwo successful. Amadou Onana no onye tackles bebre ba okwo bia na o eden o successful. It na the tackle success rate ni 60. Ugarte be ko tackles bebre be nyini nyina no tired den.
Onya.
Iti ebu obetima communicate for how you say. Then area doors Amadou Onana Bruno so area doors says Amadou Onana Bruno so ground doors contested or Kobe na chain Amadou. And was we need to na chain Amadou. But the ground doors success no so say Abu esaso bro Amadou die no so bro Ugarte die no so.
Yes.
Then you look at touches. Me Ugarte obo in a possessive based team or better touch ball be chain Amadou Onana me die no beton chain. But look at ball recoveries. He presses so well and he doesn't lose possession easily when it comes to Ugarte. So in this instance, if you are buying Onana, you are buying a player who does fewer tackles but effective and efficient. For Manchester United and the Premier League experience and tenacity, Manchester United should be looking at Amadou Onana. Oh, yes. Because on Eric Ten Hag formation now, last season, no steady. If he feels so, you should still the rest defense now a gap better than midfield near attack. When you're looking at the rest defense, who here midfield are athletic, long legs, effective and efficient, not necessarily running about just like running about sick. Because Casemiro tackle,
yes.
I'm about on tackle,
yeah.
But you need someone who is effective and efficient who could run all over. And the problem with that particular athleticism, Amadou Onana.
Wow.
So I'm surprised Manchester United and Everton won't country almost say. On Gerald Braithwaite, your mom was classy for Amadou Onana and Gerald Braithwaite. Oh yeah, because Omumi no Premier League experience. Oh the BBA for statistics now, they are turning the reason why I'm picking Onana and Kraton Chenya. Now you need players who can adapt early.
Oh okay.
And easily. because coffee for be free abonten ba it takes them 1 year class and omo tima
you know ka we omo fie na na mo ye juma
of oba loan on se season be ba na we na hu so adapt
na ye no obo ne kama pa
on se afin na adaptation period no
na fa
why okay
sa gidi loan bi na
dabi
ana mbeto
dabi omo nto
o ade well this season be do new board na no body
new law
like him no be la ba say
Jason Walker no Eric Ten Hag does not have massive decision making when it comes to
transfer.
He does not have the, let me use the right word, the final say.
Oh, okay.
What am I say? It is then you go back as a agent to work for Gatti Dinaba. Okay. But Kamadu Nana Ofiti. Chelsea and Yabre Dewsbury Hall. Okay.
Why?
Mate.
Mamre. Dewsbury Hall, they can't 1 minute be namenko.
Now,
Infino, why?
Mammy Fiasa
Infino.
Now, let me say, where the air told Bolly, I check your person or check. And so my was it? Who can't
cheap transfer specialist.
What you for them?
My for Prosper Gum.
As I want. I go ya. You go if you know. Biggie. I don't be colors about your breza.
Ule ya botre.
Clavo bella bo brese.
Already evangelist tossing about me boy.
Omoro Dion.
Evangelist tossing about.
The evil demon. Omoro Dion.
Yeah, try prophet Omoro Dion.
Bigina ono ni dina bosom bi din on Nigeria.
The two hour.
I said I Nigerian. Bosom bi din.
The 2 hour money. By the spirit of Omoro Dion come out.
I go here what? Oda Fabisi Lord.
Say botanical names na duru so.
Omoro Dion.
Ana Dewsbury Hall.
Ricardo Razzer, no, or cratchy trends, I mean, come native evangelism, or bezo, or bomb, modena, ultimate pam, near my old one or more, and the Baba Birama, free no, my Baba was in each moment, and red empire. Yes, a kaftana, old one, political suit, send a 3 pieces snappy, kaftana, a de vest, a gusunafi, casual, old one, Nina, Queen, say, or cratchy trends, Obama modena, on your way to meet in common, Juma Pano, born in the moment, no, or my promotion because na promotion mun come on simple obo modena kaftan no ni no ugina na so jemba kumba kuduma ye bo modere ba ko chew unya ne bibia jesu cratchy trends o maso ye na be rana ya hwene aboama ne makoye da maso ye bo ajanhwe mo eben senate flat no na Facebook or cratchy trends, Instagram or cratchy trend na TikTok or cratchy trends ni na rama be hu adwuma o mo ebo aboama ne ma dadi petimi da ma kan de acho ze de ye kwa ye no hu hia pa zanze ne kidney sense na beti obi ha ne nso na yesi ni nyina no enema e de kwa ye no na ne nso ba ko a abedwama so afa bibia nkofo edi hu nkomo no eye kangen energy drinking water na mu de ye papa ni nyina na ze bo moden eye adwuma pa e be boama ne ma ko ye petimi da ma zanze ne your nutrients awodo na ne minerals awodo na wo ma eni se ne tebi se calcium magnesium potassium iron ani nyina na hwe na aba be siesi obodi no abo akoma no ban ama na timi abo kama pa na moja ne timi dia fusani yetime pa cho udo rom na ne kan ye odin a oze ye ma kangin so ni bi ni nyina sa bedwama so ankofo ageda tuma omono me bo ye liver no be kidney no ena fe akoma no ba mo ye adwuma kama pa ne niam bi a wadi a akoye me ha no de giwi na bugu so a obonze be bo ama so ro nya afa ho de be ma UGC anata fini road aba ruja show unyo mo betimi afe na ne o medi nkomo niam bu won tiase a ya chewa 0241 449191 0241 449191 0507 379474 na ne o makasa ne aboa na ne ma deda di imperial makwagu virus na bibia aboko de
abu nyamadom bibia ya fa
na so na ye
oh kakaka eguzu aye hwede no weko wende
fami fam kakra na ye hwe nyi kakra
abu kame akwa eze kasa wo England camp na doso
azo omo dada nyina za no mutiana
dabi
ezi abroso
it's not about omo kro omo kasa about omo nyere omo hu no I'm talking about the players bia no omo nim the kind of pressure wom so everybody ama England national team no they are feeling omo heat no anyhow pressure sigum say Obama the English national team is here yate say Hurricane adi ho komo yate say Ezemu entime di ho komo and other players coach na kasa so edi ho komo say players no mjina park na so bobo no so mu you omo ho free say being players on the field of play no more fans and maybe come make their change their supporters na kano because they've not given the supporters the target so me favorite so me Euros no that kind of performance. They won't say England a top group no fine, but with the performance England for the done dino, and your performance one because I say what say now you play and now share that performance now because this is the English national team. Me person me bo. They need to make sure say some now fans back home legends of the game eka. Omo abo English national team ne pen eka no omo fan to omachi. They need to start making sure say they are doing the rightful things and amount for be jaikas no more kano. When you come into games and you perform below standards, yes, or performing, you get people talking. But Sauba now performing to the standards amount for par. Amount for be jaikasa or more kasa the legend and everybody or me jaikasa and then most of build upon your man and person building. It's not about talking and trying to let people know that's more kasa too much. Or moon jaikasa no. Because they are talking from a fans' perspective. The legends, however, say you expect them to be measured in almost some more can because they've been there before. No, at this point in time, but you know, or a fan. I couldn't one year be a would born home come but I'll go deep down. You want England to win. When was the last time England did a major tournament?
Now more crab is a ban major tournament or more back up.
Yes. If every single time it's coming home.
Have you coming?
They were tagged as one of the favorites to win the Euros because of consistency and all that. National teams are by teams, you know. How many of them no more head coach? Our 10 ABI England and France. How many of them?
I know no crap.
ABI 2 Croatians who he's one of them. So consistency sake. Anyhow, I will see a close. Get in Premier League you games in Nabi, but be our where you have the luxury of time to take decisions and all that. In terms of who said they are failing and they are not performing to the standards it's about time they need to start performing. It's not about Kasa and Ebeba and I say that be. So start out performing. A lot of people will make sure say or Mwabamachi and say the music kono or me bossy and so their mamo. That's the best thing. The best way is is performing on the field of play. Oya pe ubia o kasa ubia wa simbia kafa ubia no ubi jai sensemneka. England are in omo and so a final last time I ebo Euros. And no be performance where you don't expect people to keep quiet. So the players to know say the responsibility it comes with wearing the English national team jersey, you know. and no one no more and so no montomo and so entiminya no maye. Abu Bielsa ya Juma or Copa America nim. And if someone jabu ha me pese bi obet magic Copa America na nke ya Bielsa because of normal why. We are manager the managers be brama omo ka nsempa the fan say onya impact wo so. You talk of Pep Guardiola, Mauricio Pochettino,
yes.
Simone to some extent class with D Bielsa Hong Kong. It tells you how a Nipan ends with me here. And so football now Uruguay for any now. Anytime we see pointing now, he was the right person that would me back over the edge, man. Just as someone when it comes to dealing with teams or more crossroads with me here Germany. This is a manager after say Chile and so edgy 6-1 from Brazil Sano in 2007. You can't say players and so no monsa harassing hotel employees with sexual harassment and all that or more and so head coach of Costa resigning, you know. The team was at crossroads. Bielsa be far team no share team do a certain stage Chile funny the whole da be 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. So when it comes to Bielsa dealing with teams over at crossroads we run a year juma. Uruguay got to a point in time no more. Tavares be here near Drumre no crack crutch still no coach Uruguay national team no. Because no one know be with my be juma ni dia mom said omsipe. But he came in and was started our year juma de momo. Or and day Argentina or more time I know my many games I know more 20 million lose here. Uruguay and this hard no. Or say we need to cheer Brazil. And about tournament we know. Look at the kind of football run ends elbow. So her Uruguay team now, it got to a point in time, some more talent, but when they get into a tournament, now some more performance, some underperforming. But to buy, what my Daniel money with that win against Brazil, Argentina in a pre-tournament, or more elbow to the tournament, or Mexico, you are more Juma. Or bar tournament, 3-1 against Panama, 5-0 against Bolivia. But still, he thinks, this is not Babia, Ubetimiaga say Uruguay, Babeje, Copa Americano. Because he believes that over Panama now have Bolivia, they are not teams in the Copa America, but Beji. When you are talking about teams of Magic Copa America now, Ebia Brazil be. Now to me, Brazil, who you must said this ocean, Argentina be now to me, or Costa Rica, and other teams now. And none Becca say, oh, yeah, Juma. And this is a manager, yeah, can was him, or any method. Now, how was he getting the best out of players? Look at Darwin Nunes. 2 seasons at Liverpool. Many believe that Nyoma Enshara Nkuyem Faman, but over share Uruguay national team now, 7 successive games. Each and every single time he's on the score sheet. And Vevadimo, other players, Benta ko yetini nyache, and gradually no free system anymore. But in the national team of Uruguay for no bobo na you could see that this is a new person now or no age man or Edema Uruguay for so I think that if there is someone me pese Copa America with me winning no to me GBD Kofia Bielsa because of a Juma with me he's won Olympic Games, but I don't know. I and Shedan can Van Casa Travis. I want to me and to help my why Europe impact I want because coaches are able to almost say they almost hair because as soon as Juma, so I hear Juma. So when your trophy be at me the coffee, I think but all corner you nothing no quack do bring him teams like a sene eba and he's one person or also tie Ben or Benya once or Bonechi or Benya no Bonechi or the Argentina moon na Bama. Brazil show magic Copa America and this time around I'm hoping say obetimia kono kwa with the Juma why and how was if my Uruguay for next wetimia because in recent times Uruguay and then crab but wetimia dane mania or mo enso etimi ebo games ni pa enso etimo ho abu teams ni bebre na essa from the real musi yo mo one team abetima di nkomo ye Spain ye nim say Spain ye team ba kwa na tikita kapa na no mo so wo obeti say Javi who Iniesta more who keep people on more Sergio Busquets who keep people on more but yeah who say this time Spain for us some and Sesane buy is due to the fact that Percy Rangers are multi stretchy game my friend in Spain you talk of a year Yamane a branch of friend a year Nico Williams
yeah
so more board game now team to much stretchy opponent and I don't need greatest assets on bar tournament and all your more they don't keep the ball too much to themselves. Tiki-taka gradually as a free Spain football because now say players are new almost on best judgment in here, but because of the new systems because if you look at the time on Spain now, almost check most of the times in here have on bobo now for some time because of much my entire opponents and so have. But now if you look at this Spain national team, almost far ball now. Almost stretchy opponent and so left and right back and it's been problem for them. You saw them against Croatia. How tormenting you talk of Yamane and Nico Williams. We saw them against Italy. How almost tormenting and in the game. And if you look at Sardena, I cannot question and magic and say my team your friend Spain. Okay, then time and now Luis Enrique Mujinamo Yajuma. Sardena be adia now be a standing block their momo. Ombo Tikita can give teams room to organize themselves. Into the ball now, the old ball keep possession. Being a born back up one pet near Danimo and Echo, and it's something that Thomas and I think a bomo, and sweat my no one send a city abia, and sweat my creatia momo. The Timua, ya more the dog chance second to this tournament, or make my budget tournament. Because of Nyomo Maye. So, how team now? Unya. Nipa ba could be because or on a man you matimisi, but they have every position. They seem to have someone ultimately no mande momo. Oche or much who Laporte, we've seen him Nima way. So here be Obobono and the kind of performance are all then the must pay national team now. Ungazi be Obobono, a whole and a Obobo. You look at Rodri, we know Rodney how was here adwuma no Murata and Lily do on attack no enye team wey be abeka say or more stars no more players wey betima adwuma but every single position they have players wey betima adwuma their mom when they have a coach he seems to understand obia no and what we bring to the table and I know adwuma the France national team I think they moving forward no omo enso betima akwa no one ye enso era master national team
Mate Ricardo Menaso
I say say Manchester United problem na nye coaching
why nature
Rafranik
sa there's more house
or three say nye coaching
more house pa
because time no be far team no no this year one of the worst seasons at Manchester United
technical team you almost share there
technical team
let's say all the
Avengers
Manchester
Avengers
as a conformity next season
what's what I had oh say the last season your mom to your year and what you must be brave I come to avenge
that was everyone there
Avengers
okay Mate but I say what do about am 21st getting seven careful Charles ni otio mudiano wa mu ni age san so mo na be hwa boa ma we gia wona so na de ma akoye pedi ama de bako a omo ye expect un pe siatica no common ne se ma me amukodwa mo transia che bedu bibu so to asinti no twetwon na ama nante ne bibia oyem papa nom so no o akonya sesa a ono sha se wantu ana ma dabi no na eba bebu bia bako pa obenya afa odi ama ne makoye pa etimi e de ama ne 21st kene kenya no nko omobo modi ayan wa wodo na se maria ne dunya peba nya bi ye be ma oba nam ya ye dunya na afi niama na doko wa wi ma hu a omaso ye ne be na ya so na ma we gina wo na so omo lab akwa a ye be check wa bibia ye ne she niama ho adu no any side effect bia scan services no enso e course Friday ti say ni after work no to for na ye ma massage mu chichirinchi na just ye twetwe wa abonzi mu jani die fusan assign machine treatment no aka more than 15 branches Ghana baby omu ye juma kuma say overseas junction no men afro radio bo say cancel cortes call junction bi nyomo akra do me market tu nyomo sunyane nkranza ne teach man bibia omu ye juma 024 9311 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 embwa man yamanko yepa etimi fama OP wallpapers no me pacho akwanya no edida mu kama pa etimi ere ma se ne asesi dia ori be siesi o demo no obawo modern waje o maso e 3D wallpapers no me pacho opi dia no quality no wo so nye ashine bia edimu amotonton mini na opi bi dia siesi o demo a me de opi na ma no tudwa no wafre na wabo modern etimi age belside lamps no me pacho no nso abapa na oye krache wasi so ana ya baya na demo no okoko faba kubia ize ayia du anadwo eze boya ne so anedi da wani ana asa ba be ma ya ye oda ya no wa use best lamps ni bi say no kra no de ejuma ya na efepa na TV backlight no udum TV na so ho Champions League final bi sa o team na rin no bo nse na backlight no edia we ring light no Ricardo Vaz mo YouTubers ne mo a mo ba TikTok no mo nkona mo konko UBP ne de no quality no wo so ne bo no so ya de o form ye papa and a blind curtains ne no so de bi aba e de blind ne no na aba so ankofo yusu enkofa ba ku bi na eze utimi dwana no akwa akosie wum no na obi tamade no de pima na o di wi na ahwe no atwam pe blind ni bi ye wa awuroba no watwetwe na ekoso ze yezi nsu eto no watwetwe na aba form na abo ma bibia akuyera manti demo no de open e ma de besi OP and also Roman aso practical drone center carpets outdoor na edifices outdoor flowers na walk log ne de aka kan no obeboa amansa ka bi edum PZ oro ani chemo na akwesi agema na banso first floor no on sabe kan ofu ana akwelo efa banso no na krono ba ya opsi krono market first floor so nya number no 0540 35375 0540 35375 na OP and we din komana ne ma dadi pa bigi akwa ba biem ze bibia hye de
abonya we do bibia kama
yewura mu kakre
well the Premier League ne de omo catch clubs na ne say omo say there is some form of alliance being carbon biaba clubs ne carbon no omo anya no omo de work no omo de evade any kind of PSR sanction mechanics because what check deals no do na ekoso na between clubs na ya mark say we mu de anhwe ya PSR rules na be chi omo ma ya ti omo points and na be fine omo Chelsea, Aston Villa, Leicester City, to some extent, Ubenya Newcastle Mobi and Nemu. Good. What has happened? There has been a circular trade between these clubs. Chelsea ni Aston Villa Juma. In terms of buying players, why they determine price? The selling club.
Yeah, wow.
And to me, I met on the boss atoso, so that we can all meet, do financial engineering. That financial hole na yakwa kotomno.
Oh, okay.
And they say Aston Villa has done business with Juve. But we check how our person or any business with Juve now. You movie players with values placed on them. I'm also sending your players with values placed on them. Then a little money will move. Se me top player sikana metuyama selling club no. Ono ji sikana. If the player is a homegrown player, you better register as total profit.
Oh, okay.
If I'm use an example, Obi say Ian Matson. Ian Matson is a homegrown player because Chelsea na tete na year ni bibi enti en found say onye England ni, but the development ni training basically from a certain age it take place in the England Chelsea insano. It is a Chelsea turn Ian Matson 37 million pounds. So 37 million pounds and the Chelsea bet throw when the financial records move at the year ending June 30, 2024 as a profit of 37 million. And it's our boka nane kana wa bono a bro sa 150 million threshold so maybe a bro so 30 million sa 37 neba be yi edi free ho.
Oh, okay.
Now Chelsea Ukraine a 7 million pound a year surplus. Now say autonomy we are oh many Aston Villa year exchange for player. Now say Aston Villa no so nya sika from player no turn the ama Chelsea no. Enti say Chelsea enya 37 from Aston Villa ha. Chelsea so ma Aston Villa 29 and now 20 and now 25.
Yes.
Enti Aston Villa no so the books mu no wa lose 37 so aton ama Chelsea but ono so nya say 25 no so a homegrown talent no ton into be trash in the book mu as at 30th June 2024 when you 25 million from transfer a profit into also be balance in the books. Now this is where it gets more interesting. After players no matter no you record your financial statement at the year end ni more. You will be a fan of amortization.
Yes.
It is a Ian Matson. Aston Villa turn from Chelsea. They bought a 37 million pounds. But almost signing for how many years? 5 years. You best spread it 37 million across 5 years. Into the next financial year, and Aston Villa bet you the first tranche. And when the books move. Into 37 no on fan can the books no prepare no. I did be 30th June 2024. And it's on baby biasa. About 30th June 2025. Into auto Ian Matson, but on to Yanis. But what Tony player the Ama Chelsea, but better go the books Musi.
Wow.
That is the difference. And Premier League no say clubs in yes are their way amongst them to escape sanctions and cover the better also for financial irresponsibility. Other international players, air-torn players in 10 times and can normally transfer window from July, August near town. But the clubs in yes is here, you know. There is a suspicion of financial engineering. Omu miemia had you tweet ya.
Oh, okay.
Send your beya. Omuto a tokroma medo moto ama omohonchromo. So Chelsea will balance their books. They will not fall foul to PSR. Aston Villa will balance their books. They will not fall foul to PSR. So what taking Andrews Biho from Leicester City. Yes. They will balance their books. They will not fall foul to PSR. The Premier League not here when say baby your money at the end of Fabiano. These clubs are able to find the loophole, normal exploit it. Chelsea started with this, and they have play a 7-year contract, 6 years contract. Nicholas Jackson mo. So no must spread the cost now across. You talk I said they are. Yen Cheskani 90 recording good books name. You best spread it across. So these are the interesting ways clubs are using to escape sanctions for not being financially responsible, and it disturbs the regulators, the organizers like the Premier League. And they will definitely probe. This will be similar to Juventus plus Valencia issue. No?
Yes.
Capital gains. Who determines the price of a player? In the Premier League, I don't know about catching say you are not sending boy 37. I don't know about catching player don't know how to tell.
Exactly the point. So it will be a difficult care for the Premier League and the clubs to negotiate. But I think in all this, clubs no are forming this alliance, they will win. The Premier League cannot do them anything.
Now that me year 9th market there.
And it's smart business. Someone say, "Boy, I'm more person with the business room." So you will get the businessmen coming and then doing their own things.
Bet me relate to Hoselu ne Madrid say almost ya trigger like ile koton. But what almost this kind of the ton no embru no so. Minimum bet me relate to no so.
Not necessarily, but there are instances where club to me jemu edema player. There are instances where you won't say we will exit clause or will buyout clause, but yen shada activity and fan rim. Ni na depend one the player status, 2 the age, and then 3 the stance of a club near there. And so that is how these things work.
But all the M1 is it? Yeah, the also almost see homegrown.
Yeah, homegrown.
Madrid. No, na me nim the etia. Madrid for na kwa trigger we no. We Espanyol for no 1.5 no. But says kana na aga afa for no su twa Madrid for na fanako.
One thing is when clubs like in Spain, Italy, the omo say your top player we still own a certain percentage of player. Many a quantifier and a buyback clause.
Oh, okay.
So check it, Dani Carvajal in Madrid. Or call Leverkusen no. There was a buyback option a more trigger near the number. Now the moment you do that, a place a certain valuation on the player. And they also have to estimate that not much checking the value or much checking the age, not much checking contribution or the amount team no. Agarafa for no will know salaries are Madrid or multi adiama hoselu. Into met nasia quantifying na. There is no way they will pay beyond the valuation of a player per what they've done.
Wow.
And club no can decide that they be empty. But there are times clubs never feel we can't go against the wish of the player. And the financial benefits a woman they will allow the player to go.
They do need
so I say Madrid. I think it's triple.
Yes.
So they are giving him good money. So club no on team na on yenesa, and that is how these things work. Abutu the Euros. Omobema brackets ni bi the knockout stage. Yenya good teams over the group stage. But baby Adrian, no, it goes beyond just point build up. Group ni upon is a league. Afe ni ebebo cup competition. So in this stage, and yet the best teams and they qualify.
Yeah.
The teams with the best strategy and they qualify. Because team makes me frustrated throughout 90 minutes, extra 30 minutes. Then penalty is not the UA frame. Just like we saw in the last edition of the Euros. Yeah, France and Switzerland. Nobody gave Switzerland the dog's chance, but they pushed it to the penalty shootout and the France for frame. So the team with the best strategy. And the team with the best strategy means the team that is best prepared in every aspect of the knockout stage of the Euros. Again, the what teams the baby my friend is the path to success and not the road to success.
Yes.
Left and right in that screen so. On the left, it looks more difficult. On the right, it looks more easy. But the own say for no. And on that thing.
The own say for no.
And on that thing.
Now on call for minimum or more strategy be on the ball group stages in England for.
I say
draw final game. Now the man to be now never be on
way through. But this is where it gets tricky. So what study the nature of this tournament? Levels have closed. Tactically, coaches no ama gap near that between teams akese any teams in Ketwano and narrow. Good. Now it means that on paper there are teams or munidin or the other bracket are England or Netherlands war, but in reality, due to coaching and how the tournament trend now, it will be difficult for all the big teams there. Netherlands, Romania. It will not be an easy game for them to escape. England, Slovakia, Italy, Switzerland. And you say, ye benya Netherlands, Belgium, ne France. Ye ba benya Spain, ne Georgia, they are likely to meet Germany. And only a day in reality, a day on paper. When you for on paper, but a day in reality. So there are no easy games in the knockout stage. It's about strategy and Ochineba. I'll be able to highlight deeper on that. But
tournament ne the aba bedru stage bi a assistant yenya big star bi a waso yensa e de ra tournament ni ma ogigi eni omo GD ni na omo light up tournament ni na no emerging stars players omo peja deba Yamal mo Musiala mo nkoda no mo peja Kwaraskeli and nkoda no maso yensa de basa. And it is looking like a similar Euros trend. In the history of the Euros, Abu, the last time a player single-handedly lit up the tournament was in 1984 when Michel Platini did it for France. Oshe 9 goals. Oshe go from start to finish. Game be a France boy bia, including hat-tricks. So what check Mudia from 1969 you see the last edition in 2020 before this one. Goals ebebe biano and then I'm 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6. The outlier the 84 edition of Michel Platini Mae. So it means it's a tournament big stars nintan you muhumpie and it's always difficult. And truly, when Portugal won it in 2016, player shared the most goals were Antoine Griezmann. But in the final, he did not show up. Yeah. It was a day. And I bet the winning goal no at the boy. So any tournament key players ni yo multiply. And especially it drew a period where the stars in the game are no more controlling stars, but they are only supporting stars. The controlling stars need be the same Messi, Ronaldo, omo ye 1 man 1,000, omo kita team, the team no there. The stars omo game musisi no edin so benye bisa maybe you will look at Mbappe, but check this tournament. I feel watching the first Euros go. World Cup, it is a different story.
Yes.
So Mbappe ko World Cup no yeah there, but the Euro trend they say it does not really push stars to deliver, sir. So Mbappe has scored just 1 goal, and it came from the penalty spot. Lewandowski, prolific scorer, tournament way, just 1 goal from the penalty spot. Obebo Dimbe, Hurricane, German Bundesliga, European Golden Shoot winner. Obaye and DNAC. Hurricane has scored just 1 goal, which was a goal share with 6-yard box in him, and he's had a very bad tournament. Ronaldo cried. I can call 7 matches in major tournaments. I come here, me so I think share Ghana World Cup 2022 share.
Ya fire who agree.
Say.
And next match the Gonzalo Ramos obebo.
So
the Ramos never bobo.
So Oshamu dia enya tournament a masters a shining unless we ye bibia a broso. And that is why I am coming in. Marco,
this is 9 plus 6 plus 5.
Yeah. Marco van Basten in 88. He did not score in all the games, but he scored in crucial games.
Yeah.
Good. Ronaldo mo, Hurricane mo, to prove say almost stardom no, it will reign over the Euros. They will need to take charge of the knockout stages and also help their teams to shine. And yet tournament stars, but still to become great, to become a star, there are times Enisa Nyoma favor. One woman your masisa so that it will favor your team.
Mate, minim zochna ye transfer the final lap no so Amerina Managerial mana matches na ye ya. To them ende humra ye ba pena luta bana fisem no. Ye re ato aso amamo.
One I'm a taste of Bano say or Canada.
Oh, woko, oko suku.
Na yesi a Japia Banon so or Nanso no dear or Juma.
Me say, a man for Quacono, and ya grow.
Jaya no one do one Cosano.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia Nanya Bre, best or two Quaman on it, dear. What do simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit. And now Tonswa, Oko Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany Numa, Wadobako. Say ya Jumaswa, Wadobako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asafu Leba, Runabout Wa, and crying, Kanachi First Light, Tema, Community 18, Lashe Big Boy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court Hall. Tamale Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha time HH heba Mr. Bina Unumi and ya what dropa a ya draw. Yadro say, mani peduan kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare en twen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebedwaso wono a na the time HH heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enum bi time HH heba Mr. who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford dear na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena de ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko dudie no so Ashford Galaxy wo de na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me ba dodo mi ye dane bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na akofa bedwaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon
if I shop, I'm going to show you a bag.
Right, and not so good.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and not the about ever so.
Maybe I do this offering now.
Bra, so make us a midi time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
And you go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be at any ziva, a woman, ever slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA Aji a judging cratoi at all.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
Efiewura nom mo fam asomfa mekakra na enje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo a ensuoso no nom fam no amaho nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babua medan na papai no any ensuo a eno nom dan no ho amaho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan no ho nyina enhia so be to cement on twa nwia bia na wonhia painting so esanse ipon 2 contractors e the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia e be te se de ya painting dan na wiempo enti e dan ho be ya so na ha fefefe ipon 2 contractors ama sese de nema yefo e de ama fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so e chemfie pi na emfa e hyew bia so e maw dem ipon 2 contractors aye expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118 684 hwehwe yen
ewo Abrepo Junction ship mu a ben JP filling station
ipon 2 contractors wo we die enso bia nonom ye dan biem na dan ni nyina so be ye fafi bo
Original Games 2024. Wole Monko. Ghana's all-time top scorer, former Black Stars captain, Samuajan, the Baby Jet at the Original Games 2024 edition of the Best Show. Original Games, a mini Olympics. Just a mantam doing Sia walk. My Ghana Muno, woman in Abesia can Emu Ebi. Now the Tiani said, we are Babuno, so your bar and now Bema when you finish here a do what air corner. You are we can see outdoor. Ebi any football, volleyball, arm wrestling, boxing, athletics, basketball, table tennis, and lawn tennis. So nimsa gwemu bia oyadia. Bomodia kwa your website www.allregionalgames.com. Nako register Emma Omantamu. The unya de registration no eye ebia Ghana card. And now passport or national health insurance card or birth certificate. And on how to register. So your registration if you are yebema data or the back mantam awumunumu no akwaye justify your inclusion. Omadi mosanipe mantam no ebefawo e de wo aka one final team wade ba the grand finale ebeba so 4th November e wo enkrano eho ana trophies medals ani achede ahodo a edaso no mantam no nyina ebehia no modi afeso embenfosi amagani amagashia ani ehu amagahoho sawo penchemu bi afre 0267 084048 Jumedie so person so asene and now sponsor call your website www.allregionalgames.com. Original Games 2024 and Wole Monko.
So wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yaman wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Eban bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors ahodo nyina. Ubenya biato e wana so ye ho. Say OP LED backlight e de above flash screen e chia. And also OP ebe so selfie ring lights out of phone bishim a OP wallpapers and a bema selfie ring lights OP ewo Kumasi Doom first floor Nana Kwesiajman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor and a chronom or barrier on the market in Edian so open wholesale and answer retail any OP any insawo free OP our 0540 353750
the mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic you and say BCC will sing, na yabo will sing Hobai, Ama Num, and so Axi, and I say, or sing animal so far and to my part. If you fix one no, and I say, you type for a permanent one no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, no more, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Abia, and never be as a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and I the Ebo, no, Oba Gentleman Dental, yet Nina be a Gentleman Dental Clinic, Koforidua Central Police Station and Chenwa, and I would do and kind so sway Wonungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so and I would do Takwa the pipe one, traffic light na a pipe one, Yannick OGN Bank and with the same premises, and a Kachiman so your magazine market a quine so and I say opposite AY Ambe, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, total filling station wa traffic light na and if G runabout on who free total filling station, I have brought sign on a idio, a year free Eda Juada Popim Eda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
Yay! Food for thought to free. Live Unity Conference, June edition. A draw of BMO, where singles and unmarried conference. Omayini Yawadu watch, Onyamiakoa, and Yepre, or the Tumiam man, or Fairfoot for talk. Addition now, any Ghana, and we are singing now. Say June edition, a bebasso. Now wait, the Yasemi free. Most a woman dick, a tribune, what you know. Genesis chapter 2, verse 24. Or say, I shall marry Miss Sumewari, and who do to see Yadi, and your Joe was swimming. Midnight was what you know. 29th June, Mimida, who must jubilee pa, and no panus, Bring a mimina, action swapine, a child was soon and group, Jumedi, Achum to Fua, Epetutum, Dick.
Na me bo wachi do enko akowa hey akowa still akami enu ebe akowa erade you know ho akowa under 2.5 na nkofo akowa we dey amwa otito misrao akoso leble enko na atizigi nana de Ochito, me na ewu juni di so obetimi ache.
Obetimi se. Ne papa ye.
Na aggressive no was.
E was obetimi
enko. Akowa yero ho ate. Na me bo wachi do.
Enko.
Akowa. Hey! Akowa still akami enu.
Ebe
akowa.
Erade.
You know ho? Akowa. Under 2.5 na nkofo. Akowa.
We dey amwa.
Ochito
misrao.
Akoso leble enko na atizigi nana de.
How come I be a? No more friend now. Professor, who call back who?
Hey, I'm gonna phone him.
Zagbagbe. Now say I had a very accurate crew.
Zagbagbe in a gbagbe gozo. Go
crew. What's that? Play away. What about I know.
Na catch him say me ya de.
What's you? What that room wa ya de wa?
Mayanka for him.
Mayanka.
O se me na twese. E ba chomba.
Nese me.
Amudu kari makakaja saje den nakakuwa yari na mari makakasa wakaka mekiti yari na twesere mari na kukuwa na nkinam zori yo nakakaja mari wona na yani nkwan lori na obinga na kuta raiku yari na yani madu
Dabi asem no kan nya butrete omma ne nkwan fa raiku anye
yari zo wanka
it woma
bari wona ka step in day bari nka wakawo
bari waka kawa wasa lebi
oma
Oma for rent on women to Oma.
Me yana makos. I think say I'm in hurry. It's agents, mama agents.
You say stretch it, masa.
Hey, I never me. Kishi. Refi Corona.
Only so kishi.
Oh no, I be on nyai. I think say.
I'll come.
On the
Ghana Limited semenka etimi fractures ne also bomode na ya toothbrushes out on toothpaste ebeboa na oseno adi huni amana hoden shonko na ama wanuma ye am na nema bia ko fodi o manu ye nso etimi bia manema akoye pa nso no na etimi ede ama na ntoto no enso adada di ne ne toothbrushes no ayas dia bana bi mona do princess and afi dashes out na ye wode ko etimi ede man kwada anketo ano na afi epinyini nso a ozo bebo mode na wetimi nya bia yusu na aboa manema deda di nso etimi ede ama na ne no yas toothpaste na ye de aba no eboa boss no by na boss e chi no by na eboa ama osena ifita ebo edwuma tese professor bi afo jumping si ayi simpie so anei obomode etimi aye nkonya na sepo no waye ni dwuma no na se nete ye wo yas total chaos eba yas whitening na ebeboa na ma so egiawo na so kasa nkofo ho a oma uzampa kwa enum no da oye papa upebi edum pizza kit around about number 0501 390337 0501 390337 0501 390338 0501 390338 niamwa na ne manko ye pentimi emfa ema cloud internet no njo di akọ na kokokoje na ameze internet ba kwa nkofo nyusu no mo kra zen ne wo fie offices outdoor na mudi di juma no na streaming won sensem de cloud internet no also call etimi kokoje ne bo amane makuye dem stable pa na afi so no connect here simple fast and reliable pa na ne bo no so ne sere on hihye sitie no ya de da form ye papa the internet connectivity about Wi-Fi and hotspot development and afi so no CCTV camera installation ya be na ya ye timi e de ama ne ho ne ma nyina no cloud internet na me kan for e de ama se ko na kokojibi na use a one kasa obonza mpa wonya internet bi use and speed no ano e de mpa top I obsi Love FM omo ene kuma Managerial bank wa bansho ba kumu ti fa number ina nkomodi de bi atonkra na ye mamba etimi enfama 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 na 0244 601 933 0244 601 933 na nyomo etimi didi nkomana hye no akoyi etimi ede ama Ghana Grove semenka etimi emfa enchos enentu no etimi aba Ghana Grove yemra na ne mabunu no omuntimi emfa ntiti mu ebebo ama yenso no ya dwuma etimi ada ho ne enye opportunities awdo na ebebo ana hye na akoyi element wenye mfie no dunum ere kokoro mu fie no duasa numa from 15 to 35 years I say net here yes about agriculture agri business technical and our vocational skills no in your mabomodi on Mastercard Foundation afi no Springboard Show Foundation and Limehouse na kabuma omodi aba na babazi ayeboa na wetimi nya santete no we mi peja pe na me di baby girls no nkomo se monko enkoko gentete na beboa ma niam de dimpa e the amount number ni 0308 255 775 0308 255 775 niamboa na hyehyɛ no nkoyie ma nti o ma daroma yewram na fa fisem na to aso ya maluta na bibia bɔkɔ de
o bra kwaku nyame adomo na so e
bɔkɔ pa anano me na mona o fans na e wase aro obu biza de wagya anwombo ana
oh catch them say nche me drop in latest
sa
ai title ni intrubu
intrubu le cheze
intrubu abura
okay
abura some kaburu bi ati asabura your friend intrubu
nti I don't know obema me freestyle kaka
oh dabi because amanfo bi wi amenwuma first am betena de me no manfo afa
na o afa na mo de covid me ni ada
na enche me ne kinpaluta
ebe ye yum
ye kombo no so beba
eno e misunkuma lewa na remesa na
oh dabi misunkuma lewa na de sa akode mu na ehwe senka omo ba ehwe na
ba as I want to see visa engineer let's say la yili na yili ku ya omo si ye bubu engineer in studio la
se nyame
adon to la ba fo kaka
record label bia
e from say
week bia no mutua me kaka
e from say
aha and sim sawo event bia
e from say
na me kan kiro sa
oh musical on the tone
mango inde de bi auto mango
customer
mango record label
mango blue record mango bunu ne ma ya die ne ma voice na kasa ye voice ne ye
akoya baluta ke wasafa la o se dey
atafa Chris bra
udi mura wa yaro lo
enye for why ne champion timi ne
atafa Chris bra ke fa be ko why
your boy signature kajupum
fa be ko at again fa be ko
right brother says so no play now you're breaking it down now you're touching it down you're knocking it down nyenhye some of your bob one office mu asum fa nyenhye sem free Ghana your clubs me no ekosi akai CAF interclub competitions no eno ye summer test ni mediama eno wuremu a me patcho summer test ni insu atreman na wuremu no pe CAF team mpanyimfo timide data was a team biade registration any data matches outdoor ebetima ba so no CAF etima release eno na adwane on Sompa TV a desk screen so no na omu chemse first registration period no ebe start 1st of July na bana we 20th of July na eligibility no so no players on participate 20th of July and the second registration period and is the 21st of July ekosi 31st 21st of August. Nasa unchechemment so far. Summiters and our Ghana. Ba your Premier League no jumper represent Ghana. Or CAF Champions League no. Na in Swatrama for the GFA Cup no. Represent Ghana. Our CAF Confederation Cup no. Na say na stages in it here. Uramo prelims na. Ebe share 16th to 18th of August. And your first leg date, na second leg, I am from 23rd to 25th August. And no idea, ya demo my calf at me a release a registration date and match date, at me a DMM. Na yemro the Black Princesses headquarter Yusuf Baziki and opaya what me and 35 Black Princesses players are. Ese nyame pomo for money enchirem. Esu ewo Cape Coast. No mo kwasha mboabo asini nyina no say World Under 20 Women's World Cup no ebetimi atodwa. Ebetwa say from 31st of August up na wiye 22nd September. Na otwa goalkeepers are from no. Ebi say Afi Amanyeku Saso ena Deborah Brown. Yawo Amina Hamadu. Ene yawo Huzeman Oxman. Afi to Isa Najat Salam and our defenders na Jawo Air Comfort Yabua Fatmata Efuseni Opoku Anoma Abna your official to Muhammad Sarah Salah Kubli and yawo Afia Chumwa Abiba Isa Hana Nyame Comfort Ousu Faiza Abdul Rashid and our tramet for this was Stella Nyamiche Wasima Muhammad Tracy Chum Yawo Berlin Nyakon and Asana Al Hassan Sources Amenya Yawo Sarah Nyakon and Jacqueline Amponsa Deborah Ano and Jennifer Ousuya Okwa attackers are Princess Ousu Salama to Abdullah Rita Musa Asantua Angela Mary Amponsa Agnes Yabua, Mercy Atobra, Jennifer Dawa, and Abigail Sechua. Omune 35 players. Coach Evan Yusuf Bazigi, Atunsa at the Afro Omon. Esa Omunsha Sen report to Cape Coast. Normal prepare for the World Under 20 World Cup. I'm a Piasso fine and no Deba. Now, Yeromo Daniel Amata. Honestly, Pimo Teki, Equisi Academy Back Sisters. Report Evan so a players. Team no Edoma to transfer lister. Daniel Amate Asu Akampi. So far, Ultra A Plana. A duo Bomo during the A season on Obo 18 league games and a Dima Back Sisters. A free match Ebana, middle of match Ebano. Daniel Amate to men Sakampi. I'm former 12 Back Sisters. Almost some tono. Omo I read some bit office outdoor into team Biawa interest. Oh, Daniel Amate Muno. But my corner no more couldn't come out. Na Biaso ya fine. And no Edeba. Na Abanta 7 Dese Mukwala. Why a former Kotoko striker. Na yedi 26 season in Panawia no. Wana Kotoko Atung Kwantapai. Report about so Romo Tanzania. Ako sign contract at the Amasimba. Bobo Kona. Abanta Feno. Aya Steven Mukwala Dese. Kusaka di ama Tanzanian club ya fana Simba eno edi fro eba ya di ama Richmond Lamte asia Kotoko emebe twam no yo mu player ya captain na di twam so pemo Rwanda akosi academy APR na report eba sanura anwumre na Richmond Lamte attach it down aso ewo eye Kigali Rwanda na anopaya omo eye ni medicals na wawie ni medicals eye 2-year deal ena o sign omo unveiling no am a biaso e kamompa no ntuma why one of the highest paid players omo team no boss me bia no $5,000 ena abante feno Richmond Lamte ya kakawachi Lamte udidi akabi Lamte umfa for bob payama Lamte no okwaji sika ediaba enti APR for Rwanda and Oma Parontuman Femianu Abai and Fatau Seidu Abai and Fatau Seidu Asopae na and watching Emmanuel Kote about training and Abante Justice Blame in Tim Manu Andrews and Baba Yaya Henry Ansu Bernard Somwa Peter Aqua, Yaya Dramani, where Yaya Dawuni, 10 players, and a resume training there, Edma Santi Kotoko, Bobo Ekono, Mianwan Tuamani Nurundin Yusuf, and a Michael J. Dramina, Omo and Antimama, na foreign players be yes, Portu Biowa, na Demetrius official and Mray, and there be a foreign players, Ebet team, I train them a Bia Kama, and no add the air banner, the maintenance. On 5 players from Ivory Coast attached down to the Okumase, Mianu from Sudan, Amamati Sudan, left back, Osiakadma Ahilal, that's what touched down. Okumase Obabodma Dama, Aya Kotokobo Kono, and a Bakoso from Ethiopia, Omina Sograma, Ombabodma, Edama Santi Kotoko, prepare for Democracy Kappa, Omniphobia, and Rapims on the 5th of July, and then our trade, Nabi Pietro at my fine. Now, Reverend David Oklo and the lady training on Shadi, my on it team pep talk kakra. Then you say the head coach, your friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, hard work and disciplined coach. Your friend Dr. Nate Ogum, Doctor, Yamemo, what in one pitch out. Na Serge na kwa no nya hodini nimde na fa be lead team no bianya kama eno kotoko team no emuaye de emuaye fa no wura mu asantimentam a kotoko circles o ye chairman and Alex Manu o kasafa new players ebe wura mu kotoko the fans no enhwe na o de compare o mo recruit o last yente Alex Manu
na we recruitment na last season we no to the supporters kapa we play again na supporters wa some count play we go no supporters wa second we dey no boy we dey no this are the way one kasa wa hu dina hu say Ghana ha no wa we be one antene the model of football arena ni mu a I would say you have nothing to do to say but to support him and no free ama no be ba no e be no free ba the league no o ye na won he but o hu no training 1 2 3 goes so that's all. The main can say, players are coming. As I'm not going to support a Friday, I'm going to go to training grass. I'm going to hear the new hours. Friday, they say 4, 5, 6, 7 players. They're not.
And no, Alex Manu. Asante Kotoko, Asante Regional Circles, no. When a chairman, young fast, they must say, Obed, Nadaruma, Nya, we are, Yede Emma, and watchy Alex Manu Kasa for Democracy Kappa, Kotoko, and hearts of folk, as Cyberbon, Yentin Simoka found.
Continue 25 has never more Marco, if you look, I was sure Mamma 2024, the house will become. Some Democracy Kappa. I really never supporters now. Was a guest players couple.
I has I am reso painful Pieto. Until Kotoko team no Alex Manu say omo de bro and a better phobia team no na enu yan somebody atudwa yede ema mo eso eno no na enu achi no young room e wo Danlad Ibrahim se so anya Kotoko goalkeeper biem anom player na enu ebusa Danlad say so far wura mo Kotoko no coach bay and I need year Juma for the past 8 years, would you so best coach pa?
Steven Pulak or coach me say when you are playing only in your problem say uti bencha only in your problem on ko kampa only in your because obema what ya niamase
and we are somebody to join to say coach a friend a Polak and Wabon about so much and Yabusan say yet said Dr. Ogum now or say a bar a goalkeeper was share post no at the mom say we better games we be say and say and I see at here.
They met me, I can say they will see and we should give that respect to him because I know they want to take decisions into your name be or drawing a program say we know person one year indeed wa one antenna say and o hwe say the na esi corner say the usi kan say na na etie menim say what ya say o say bi o on kan kyeremu e be atena say afemain rotation na o beda we but o hwe I think that me almost be 8 games at the start and me sign by 3 and later on no in this season we sign benya matches kaka so I think say they will see kano sa pepe net here
and we Danlad Ibrahim
former Santi Kotoko goalkeeper no na no achi no yenwura ni engu so mfama mo Kotoko place bi omuso eje omukwan baako Richmond Opoku na Branta ye fenon Rocky Dwamananura omura mom former school okuma Samasphobia Real Amas Tiamas Emma headmaster ho a ye fenon Abdullah Ayub omukoye Jesse presentation Edma headmaster no say school no wie na omo support etel omo chene so omo wie season no a omo say Kotoko eje omukwan de e wo so omo ba no omo Jesse ano mo Kotoko omo si akan no omo de ebema headmaster no be kama no me na headmaster Mr. Abdullah Ayub etu omo fo no say omo next move omo free Kotoko no team bia de omo betuma akona sa team we die osoro omo mo nkosi akan mo da.
I'm so happy. God be with you. Every time I tell you, team knows now the next thing that we are doing. Don't just look at anything. Look at team that will help you and able to pay you very well, so that you can also come out excuse me to say, controlling teams. Team will happen with me now. Shall say, I'll be improved. But at least there are teams that Mr. Tremal is now doing very well. The brothers are doing very well. Even summer tests, it will not be bad. You can play there. And the Monfort teams know what you would think. Pass the mom. Pass the team. I will not know whether I will support her or but you know, it's also a very big team. So if the offer comes, why not? You have to. And I'm very hopeful when you go there.
We dem say ya no magro na ma stadium also team so ya Kotoko supporter mamun kwatwe Amasphobia headmaster Mr. You mamun kwatwe na bo so say wo se nkwada no mamun kobomafobia wo so wonim so mukofobia bia no betuma support wo ma na so team say baby wa japade no na wakoma ho na japade na akoma na wo Kotoko ntina head cancer no na Roma Emmanuel Neti eso ye former Hearts of Folk midfielder what say no ma ACC wo has mu pa no Dabi team no nya de omo panie na omo stress next season omo nya the right things.
Considering the Hearts of Folk we left and the Hearts of Folk we get to see now, but then I feel that season is past and we are driving towards a new season. So I'm just praying the right things will be done because we all know the supporters, some of them know. The club has been through some rough patches and I feel we just need to do the right recruitment because Heart is not just a club. Yeah, it's not just a club. So we
and somebody to ga na ya para we na coach from Poman so my younger and one-on-one e was studio ha na nsem pino di to ga say coach to na ofri bofo no bofo ko relegation what na dia no man sisi obofo na omko relegation so no di nkomo bi ana
na a lot of say actually na bebre no ete de na me na se ana ne ma na ekoso na actually answer no mu the reality say na me mom na me pet the club no ade me person me the me yen was right you see but for front on say na be na bebre ntiase and na adna say between oni obi ti why na between akokese
Sompa Sports
sa nema no so bebre anti me de na ha me na say de na ekoso na me preach no me brand maybe omote one side nti akire ansa na ombe hu say no say de na me mom make no eno mom na no ye the right idea na me de team no nam
eno your bofo akwa team no we are saying no at coach out say there's mum na ka akire na no you coach we say Ghana your matches nkrofo fix bi de nkrofo kapa o say o mo fix matches no and so team why awode mai
say fix matches and I say we say bibi sa and then obi ho be adwuma pa why you adwuma all right but the other day no one nyina with the same pe mu nyina be some survival but on no betime nya points bia there is a one survival now we hear the bad coach.
Yes,
you see, and then this betting no so sometimes who will be say but near be hokra mbo titi e wa bonten kra bi wa be ho na de kon so asa akwa kusi na obi frame
ɛno nsɛm akɔ di tudwa na yɛnyina so ne yɛmfa nsɛm no deɛ do na ɛbo ano no yɛmfa ensi wɔ ha na on bempe wɔyɛ police ni Zongo police station
was policeman ro
C Ronaldo and I say in fact I really love the song you did for Lamte this morning. Numna chama Lamte on say I say you musician bibi also ultimi e compose bibi
and you all know the message or the
any Papa Luta I really like you so much.
Now I can you
in fact I really love the song you did for Lamte this morning. Bempe Nyamin sharp. But more fast back with the birthday, Mr. Mamina Sonko. Happy birthday, Enko Enfama Abigail Adobia Safo, Oko School at Tibibu, SHS, and our one Casa, Mami friend Stella Safo, no Papa friend Philip Safo, Germany near Busheni, I say, Mau Trinqua, happy birthday, Nyamin Shaw, no more Banani, Nabe Penny Panti.
I don't bring me a chairman Stella Pa. Okay, I'm a channel pa. All of us for bakuni but I always have for those who on say your honor the extended family no okay ya pa extended family ya dey say your side no ya pa to kakra kra na etimi nsem bebreba mate me da se pa dia no ye Lutake no na ni wa bomode dia rem ni atia lewe ya na Hilal now can be I say Hilal on left back Abdullah Hamid. I mean you don't know a national team national team Ramo Asante Kotoko a national team report ban say omone Kotoko credit nkomo pra I still cry where you kwesi appearance and radio ora quality player or experience say Kotoko money left anti democracy cup no Friday ma me kai time na me bobo ye ni nkomo Mr Friday in the week said what did their less man kai no a brona Kotoko bekum has sa left back na waba no na Africa obo Ahilala e team ketwa o ze friend say Abdul Hamid o hele na se me ba Ricardo nie ono kwa ne betiam na so na ye course bi se sia ene ye hunu ye ne nya adaje hwe o hele he vana me say Ahilal na Sudan kwasi apia ne left back no Lutake me say Kotoko left back what problem na solve Doctor Ogumno nim de oyo mato de sorry ko why ya be say me say democracy cap ne Kotoko fo nyina be sorry ko be say shia why kunu Ghana limited se be catch us who grab on the na me is there only technical team there you man that say your information your feelings on Kotoko to we feel we know me say is there omo wa carlos fi na be oh e back for Ethiopia na be 4-5 so free Ivory Coast neighbor amo be dru kra omo ba be they say the democracy cap on there say no na be ma Kotoko supporters no ambassadors ya bo ogumabaso okay mate kulu Ghana limited se be catch us in no obo modern etimi nya the quality Chinese service omo de aba be ramu dwama so na say net here we be ma now proceed no ma enshara enkoya wa bo modern etimi enya huntun capsules ni be na abo amane ma kwera ma nti say net here odwunso tentem odwunso na wade ni mu yo ya wa na access so e na afi so kra no eni na e ba no so proceed ni ye kese be na etimi aso ano de amanti no huntun capsules ni ye Edema ye mema no na Mr. Kill edem ze mi di hun komo a de be sam ni nyina zo e be ma ho de na ba forma onya bi na oba emia osisi nimpa ama we gyan na so abojuma na ma kweda ma so osisi o ya nkoto gyo ya nyine be ye di fio low libido e pijama akono no etimi aba boss ba kuminu na da ya Mr. Kill na ehwe abomodi ama so no we gyan na so na arba bazin tablet aba etimi edi ama ye nuamba na ma be bi ncheche enye de nya akono e ba ne sa asundua be fie bosumi so bu nsa na e ka odwea e be yi sa ha no nyine etimi de fio nturu abia na ya ba se ma arba bazin tablet no na senete horo ni chemo eba shop and pharmacy shop ya Ghana bibia no benye du pedodo na to a number ni 0244 275 0244 275 429 and 0206 271 016 0206 271 016 nembo na man ko ye pen farmer grocer K recruitment agency akwenya ba ti ero kwa akura mu Dubai na yezi we no visa na etizi ye de ma loan no ni nyina na se ye ba beboa ma wonso no ye timi ama ma visa ro wakwa kura mo Dubai wakwa yi adwuma agiska bebre okokudu asika no wetwa ne kakra credit amomo and omo ze ne uyu bi a wonso no want tete eba ne missing work no steel fixer bi te fabricators out on welders out on production no any former adwuma hodo na ne ensa ne adwuma wonim no abomode ne grozer k recruitment agency din komo ezi baby odo kono be didi na me ensa baby abeda kwen abefa so abeku adwuma no nyina yo moka na ya san medical insurance area ma betimi nya around 3600 euro mo there's a 30,340 Ghana cedis a ni nyina iska the day a month me pacho fa number ina ne omunni nkomo na de ombia no yen kan fancho 055 283 2681 055 283 2681 meza yare luta den sama odo na ne ba e baba be rua me ni bebi abefa na vasem na miki bra na enyim pije mu
abu ma yen charity for ni bi na me say koroko signings na ni padodo na ehwe ni mu the replacement of bit ma baba be rua de ama club no I think say we Al Hilal SC the young left back has sealed I want to say translated from Arabic into English. No, Papasa. So the young left back, which is Abdul Hamid, has sued to Ghana's Ashanti Kotoko on a year-long loan. Good luck, it's smart. Now, let me say Abu Dhabi. Oshe comment and Namasia. And the Padrona Sem Nomoka. Good news, God willing. Oh Lord, excellent step by the board of directors. Which means on which 2 years or potential can see and congratulations, and he played in the league where Arabic translations and omoma semro mo kanina na dodo na wogidi se oya brantia talent no e wo soro na omo we hye ne success se okwa ne wa betimi akoyi aboa. I think Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo left back on they have a big problem. They've not been able to replace Ibrahim Imoro.
Yeah.
Kotoko continue replacing no. Initially before Imoro came to Kotoko, and I say Mansana Imoro be back Kotoko in the league, one of the best left back for Bolga All Stars. And Kotoko confirmed in the by Oboche longevity. Now Obe free one contract in sense and be Maba. During that period of time, I know Ogum the first thing to know buy not all paid the discourse papa. Uncle Yana Uncle Nenebaba only needing Komodo actually. Club Nankasa Susu Stepi in Dim Komodo chin by Rantin and us on the house for Common Ashasi earlier on and decided so by joining. I don't know, also heard say Imoro now no honest I that's what we no. There are a lot of questions about playing time and all of these things into Wentimiamba. After saying Morocco, Nicolas was able to about trying honorable Nanabe Subai on a senior man Koya farmer no.
Arabo that video. Charles Uzu Subai. On a senior man Pekia farmer no. And that is one particular position.
John Teduku. It will help listener. The list goes on and on and on and on. And Koroko has failed to replace Ibrahim Imoro. Ibrahim Imoro, and you're more the free Kotoko no. Set piece, goals, assist, good crosses. Difficult for other players to come and replicate those things. It me hear any say this young player from Al Hilal, Abdul Hamid, obetimi abeboa. I'm at that particular role no etimi silly dia. Then I think Kotoko will be okay. A position at Kotoko Browns and then right back no. On the native so coin or guess in Japan we born. Yeah. On also buy no you say them when you ma afia ko three back just is play ball Turibe Boas right back Turibe Boas right center back. Umani pushing up Morrison being no more three back now they fail to even replace the right back position.
But I think that's how they could ba second round.
Could ba
chassis and
I'll give Kote the benefit of the doubt say adaptation
yeah.
Tamale City Swatreman to Koroko is a big step in terms of expectation. What am I say? Kwame Befaso Abe adapted to that particular expectation. They're very key. Into Kote, let's see how it goes during the season. It's also because Kakrabino Abebon it shows it say once there are minutes or moments of quality ultimate check Kakra, but consistency within the game maybe or 5 minutes be no asas which you call off.
Mate, ma Miki never so sombrane kwa ya krama me na men komiki on e we dem no crass one
ma men fa akunya waves na men we she Miss Patient Apiampons happy birthday. Who Roman so wa Cassia or ye principal WPO officer Erema Coco marketing company Cassie a hono or one heavy woman pa or heavy dressing one and so heavy panty.
Happy birthday. Father, Ariano Abano Abbey. Ariabana and Timama Mate. Okay, or time no me family. I will no beberia.
The TN said the numbers first was an okotokono. So said you be a share silence ever.
Yes.
And silence never we are. The amount for be home como beam air results ever. Because the end justify the means. Say players bebas and okotoko. Na ombe ko said your musi air corner. Me yes was obia otiachire. Na won tin your my course was an okotoko club ni mu abetiase. Nti 40 supporter bia or tiba bia on tin your mana air course no. And also a supporter now during the season now they are who can send me the far players who said these are not players so some say I come as an go ni ejoma mwakwa unsu ni kwanza also kakasa bieza wakasa because mwa na mo kan say players ni nyekotoko standard ti ejoma ko ami akọ standard aba ebe fete kotokwa den tina wakasa ba ni nanu sia silence ebeba results ebeba emi hu say sa kwantu na kotoko tu ye no e ya kwantu papa nti uye kutokofa na de obeya nso obe support team ni mprempremu because enim how a support sense here emfa oni ni po beba odi anso obe support club na aboa ama no man nso team yes CCB yes CC that the most important thing na man for we say players about new players no bia nti ho report nti say Monday ankasa and a new players no betimi ababa be training and I think so as an kutokofa na the say ya nso obe support team no na no man so team akoyie nsemo ana owura e friend no for poor man's work. I think that it's long overdue. As I say, I need the common 10 times because a choir would a choir reporters too, a choir players and will be a two. Now, be two choir could do venue near say match and saying a beconam pasisano. Yes, sometimes now a yo yase, you man, I wouldn't know what to say. Yes, I'm going to say, so you football no, oh, baby, but choir first year near the neck come out. I beg to do and I had said with the flat. I had time. And the idea is here when need the home come. And young players no. One advice I met with my players and they say, Omontias yes say, said the bank manager best run a bird Jarvis or Quacotina bank a koyejuma. Doctor Equa koyejuma. Teacher ni Quaco trad, the driver ni a chin passenger no more common destination. Sana players net here. Omontias is more professional no. No mu na ye wogane be say profession ye be say professional ye be say professional no omon tiase football na ye bo no mu hu so omon fa kwan no so yie mfa mobra sa match fixing no empanimfo no mdidi ani mo ye match fixing no omo na ye empanimfo wogane ye football ani mu o omo na ye esco members ne ho ahwan wo ye football ani omo na nim empanimfo no ro na ye football no enti say ye player na ma opani bi use you say ko gina match na bo softer on trust you so betima we national teams ni bio next time bi ase pa adwuma ye na sampa ni fo na so na di om ho komoto players mo ankasa ho ye body won ko bodi be player we na no
mama miskada
enti yamfawo
kwa kumate
players ne ntiase no munya sa na munya so mo ankasa
na awia rechia ewo shootout no so na dia akebe remedy amana mom gengeme dental clinic semenka fan Charles ne o semu how bia bra na ye beboa na ye di hujuma kama pa etimi ama also no we na so examinations consultation services in a coso o seno na tu ana bibi na say na pese semu anaya ye be ni etimi ahyewa na mu braces outdoor na pese ne o the ball life anaze puno o sena chia akra na pese straight in mo ani nyina be na ye di hujuma kama pa etimi edi amantiko na sin hujuma bia na ye gengeme dental clinic kom na be na ye etimi abo pese o sini gold silver ni nyina omo ye na o seno so na me so twetwe ne mamu nunum kakra ti amana ye ko kakra o mbebo amana ye kama na ye fita pa etimi edi ama kuma se abepo junction mo ben total filling station o techima magazine oruani achimo techima market no benyo omo akra nungwa na afi atomic don mo obo ejuma ko for idia omo Eben Central Police Station no wo market on atakra the pipe no oruani achimo ta disco junction yen bango no obenyo omo na money 0559 139582 0559 139582 na 0549 906588 0549 9065 88 Togwe ahaban keke ere aka se hamama na edidi juma na ho no ma juma di omudi no ya dia ehson kokra ni na ze ni o ma mi ana papa film no sika sema ye basa no obisa de nti aya wo da na jo a won sori no na ho nyina ase ni na nsa ho bi ero ba be da wi aso we ne nda ho tra eno kan bi na Togwe ahaban keke sebra na onfamfa sunsun wi ase no ma hu se de nema esi etie Kumasi e Joseph Yase Bonfort Hospital Junction no ubenya no na ye ncheche o YouTube Takas TV obetimi akọ na ya wakọ esere obomode esimi ye niema no humu niema no series ye kọ obetimi afa number na no edi nkomezanze Benin ofia baba bere ma dwumodi odi no ano edempa 0244 484747 0244 484747 quick